Well, it's a beautiful evening here in Columbus. Sunny out, warm out, nice day. But look where we're at. That's right. We are at the iconic Jackson Street Garage. It is now 2023. So let's go see how my childhood elevator is doing. Here she is in all her glory. Sounds like it just went up. But let's take a ride. And here it is. Here she is in all her glory. Oh, the floor, did it get redone again? Looks like it might have. Let's go to 4. Well, she's leveling way faster now. That's probably a good thing. Well, thank goodness this thing's still here. Once again, my childhood elevator. It's pretty much the first elevator I ever recall riding. But it's still here. Murphy elevator with GAL Jet Plus VR and a 2,500 pound capacity. Yeah, it's leveling way faster now. It's starting up faster now. Except it is rattling a bit. Oh yeah, leveling way faster now. Well, here we are upstairs. There's a bird in here. Wonderful. Still a fantastic view of the city. Roof is still closed though. Well, we got a train coming. Oh yeah, there it is. It's going pretty slow. I don't know if we'll get to see it. Yeah, it's going pretty slow. I don't know if we'll get to see it. Yeah, the train's too slow. Focus. Interlock. You can see the top of the shaft up there. And down. Thank goodness this thing's still running pretty good. Level's way faster now, which I think is a bonus. But overall, this thing still very special to me. And with that said, here we are at the ground level. Well, there it goes. And that is going to be it.